here. Come here. I want to bloop it.
It's so weird. I'm like sticking my neck out.
I thought you guys were gonna make out.
That'd be a little more difficult.
We're not EMT drivers, all right?
Yeah.
You're here whatever I say you're here for.
Dang, he's getting sexually aggressive.
Yeah. Look at the lumberjack pulling up. Well,
Lumberjack squad.
you guys will fit in perfect that Woodsman Cup.
That's right. All right, start of a new video. Shenanigans.
After hours.
Welcome to Blockhead and Photogromer and Raj.
Patron only. You gave us money, so enjoy the shenanigans.
Oh, Patreon only?
Patron only. Wheelies in the back of a Toyota.
There we go. Please don't.
You just see me running away.
A little poop.
Leave the bike.
Yeah. Dude, like whenever you that video where you did that stoppie and you fell and you just like left the bike and walked away. I'm like, what are you doing?
There's nothing happening in my world except for pain. Like, there's no self-awareness.
Like, I don't care about traffic right now. I'm just getting the hell off the road.
They give a shit about. I figured someone would pick it up.
Yeah.
That hurt.
We look like such a badass crew right now.
Right. These cop station better take note. We're coming. Crime squad's coming. I was gonna do a stoppie, but I don't want to loop out in front of the cops. It was bad. Oh, look at this hooning.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, right? Damn, son.
Oh, what up, girl? Woo! Hey!
No, dude. My fucking foot got caught under the peg.
That sucks.
Yeah, you gotta put the toes on them.
Yeah,
they're so low. I'm gonna be racing that build bike. I got a suit and whatever. We're gonna do bush now. I'm so scared of that. Like and I got like boots, like alpine colors boots. Trying to put my toe on the edge of this bag so it doesn't get dragged into the asphalt.
This thing makes some noise.
Yeah, when they got the exhaust on them. Especially the fucking Yoshi exhaust is so loud.
Yeah. Dude, the Zoom exhaust and the Dinger build. Those two, I wanted to murder myself.
Oh, I think I've heard that Dinger Bill one.
Yeah,
that's like straight pipe, isn't it?
It's straight pipe. It's just yeah. It's too much.
Dude, this one's even almost too much, man.
If you do, yeah. Especially like it's not so much like when you're on it, it's fine. But when someone's next to you, on the right side of you,
yep.
Trying to talk, it's so bad.
That's the death zone.
Yeah, stay on the left side. Nice.
What's up, bagger?
There's so many baggers out today.
Right. So yeah, man, weather permitting, if there's any you know, days later on between whenever and whenever while you're here, if you wanna ride around, man, let me know.
I gotta see what the schedule is. Like, I've worked with these people like multiple times, and usually I fly out to Vegas for them. But like, they've been like, I've been trying to get like a set schedule. And if you ever want to come to Tampa,
oh yeah, for sure, man.
I'm actually going to be working a lot out in Tampa soon.
I didn't know what to talk to you. I was talking to Blockhead.
Mr. Invite yourself, Dan.
Yeah, damn, man.
It's like, shut up. No,
yeah, if you come out, man, I'll let you borrow Grom.
Nah, I didn't want to hang out with you either. Fuck you.
Yeah, fuck you. Nah, I don't want to. You can borrow the Grom. Nah, I don't want it anymore.
It's like, I was just saying that I go to Tampa sometimes.
Yeah, nobody said they wanted to hang out with you, you fucking douche. Oh, look at me. I'm a famous YouTuber, and now everybody wants to hang out with me.
Well played, Mr. Brad. Well played.
Hey, Raj is pretty famous too, though.
I've seen it, man.
Riding with Raj.
Riding with Raj. That'd be a good Raj ride.
Raj rides. Raji rides.
How you ride?
Raj your ride. Like ride your ride, but Raj your ride.
Ride your ride. Raj your ride.
Raj your ride.
Somebody pulled the with out of one of my stickers, so it said riding Raj, and I was like, ah.
Gay.
Who's the top and who's the bottom?
Well, obviously I'm a power bottom. Let's
Power
be
bottom?
honest now. Let's be honest.
This Grom is now worth a lot less. Raj has been scissoring it the last hour.
Don't smear it in there.
Listen, I'm just trying to make sure that my mark is left.
Gross. It's okay, I'm getting a new seat anyways. Actually, I gave up this seat that's on this one. It was on mine. Have you ever ordered from MSX 125 accessories? Dude, this shit takes so long.
I think that's the same seat I had. It's just a flat gel one, right?
Yeah, no gel though. I didn't spring the extra like 70 bucks.
Oh. It was like gel only in the front part.
Yeah. I mean, it's a lot more comfortable just because it's flat. It doesn't have that little lip.
The flat stuff I liked when I was learning wheelies, and now that I can do wheelies, I prefer the hump. Because you just like sit there when you get up.
Right, yeah, you like kind of lock into place.
Yeah, the bride seat, I ordered the bride seat from them before I was like a big YouTuber like I am now, you know?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I know. Hey, A&B conversation, Raj.
Sorry, you're right. I shouldn't have gotten involved with the super famous people. I'll know my place. I'll know my place. I'll know my place.
Anyway, the bride seat, like it's nice in the beginning, but then it gets like really smooth. So you do a wheelie. I did a wheelie and I literally fell backwards, like your ass will slide to the back.
Damn.
I told like my subscribers, and I told a couple of the guys, if we get 1 million subscribers, we're gonna go to Thailand. So that's the goal. Is if I ever get that way, I got them, and I got like a whole bunch of Thailand people that like follow me and like I keep up with them. So I got like Groms to borrow if it actually
That's
happen.
awesome. Oh yeah.
I feel like I might end up in Thailand jail though. like someone is bitch.
You really don't want to end up in Thai prison.
I don't know what you want.
Yeah, Raj has been there like a couple times.
Yeah, locked up abroad. I knew I recognized you from somewhere.
Yeah, the show Locked Up Abroad. I don't want to go to dinner.
Hey, you want to hang out with your Grom friends, don't you?
I would much rather.
I don't do mayonnaise.
You don't do mayonnaise?
Mayonnaise, no, don't do it.
What if I were to make some special mayonnaise?
I'll do special mayonnaise. I wrote a blog like back in like 2002 on my Facebook, or my MySpace at that time, about how mayonnaise will grow hair if you leave it out in the sun.
Ew, really? Gross.
Oh, that's just what I wrote. I don't know if it's true.
it's not true.
I'm just spreading the hate. Spread the mayonnaise hate. Look at this guy. Hell yeah. What up, homie? I'm the guy off Office Space that's blasting DMX until I get in the hood, and then I lock the window or lock the door.
Lock the door and like turn the radio down. Green light.
What?
Green light. Green light. Oh, what's that lean, bro? The arm behind the back.
Yeah, it always has the arm behind the back. Exactly.
Rocket Man!
I've been preaching this.
It actually helps. Whoa.
Aw. Let's try to no feet down.
Damn it!
Oh, yep. It happened.
Kill switch.
I had to take my hand off the clutch to kill switch you.
Oh, and killed.
That makes sense now that I think about it.
Stalled yours out too?
Hey, does your Cena Momentum, whatever it's called, does it have any different colored visors? Or is it just smoking clear?
Whenever I bought it, it was just smoking clear, but I'm pretty sure they've come out with different colored visors now.
Yeah, I gotta get I always had chrome and then Cena.
Gold, baby. Gotta do that gold.
No, chrome.
Do they have a gold?
Platinum. Well, they don't have this one only has the Momentum Light, only has this in smoke. So it's kind of annoying.
Is it a different shell size?
What's the difference between Momentum Light and Momentum?
I would assume it's only the, I think you can only connect to 4 people versus whatever 18 people or whatever craziness it is.
Wait, is it really 18 or is it like 18 but it sounds like shit?
Yeah, 18 is like probably like shit.
Yeah, it sounds like shit. Who would ride with 18 people in your fucking ear? Like, 18 people?
Hell no,
you know what
dude.
that would sound like? Remember when we used to play Halo, like in the online?
Yeah.
Game chat.
And it would just be like everybody would be yelling all the time. You fucking sniper, get the fuck out of here. Ah!
Everybody, come on. 2 minutes into the ride, everyone's doing hand-arm signals. Fuck this. I can't. Fuck this.
God damn it, Leroy.
Yeah. You're like, lone wolf mode. Boo, 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 boo.
Yeah, and play.
Speaking of play, your playlist, man, on that Coast to Coast, it was all over the place.
Yeah, we had to mix it up, man. We were going crazy.
Right, dude.
We had some Phil Collins in there. Phil Collins is what got us through a lot of it.
Really?
It took us till like Texas to turn on playlists. Like me and Wally were just talking to each other all the time. Like, what's going on up there? Nothing. I tried to think about things to talk about.
Yeah.
And then we're like, we can sync music. Let's do that. It's like, yeah, we need a break.
Yeah.
I can do that.
It's like a bonding experience. Did y'all become like best friends?
Well, we've always been pretty good friends. Have you ever lived with a friend that you were a friend with, and then you realize that they don't wash the dishes?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it would be fine if me and you went on a trip because we're both YouTubers, so we both know we got to get content first. If you go with a college guy that's only looking to swipe right on Tinder and get drink, his mentality was like, I just want to get this fucking thing done, like it's like halfway through.
Right.
And mine's like, well, we got to stop taking pictures. We got to, it doesn't matter. We got to take the picture at the sign. Regardless if it's on the side of the interstate, wherever the fuck it is, we got to take the picture. So that was like the biggest challenge, was like trying to communicate well enough to not, have any type of tension between us and still get what I needed to get and still keep him happy so he complete the ride. Right.
Well, like the whole purpose of it was, getting content plus doing the trip.
Right.
Like building those bridges and that, the opportunity.
Yeah, so it was a constant reminder of that. Like, sometimes you say things, like, without thinking. He would say something without thinking, I would just like,
shut the fuck up and take a photo!
I only blew up on him, like, once. It was in front of the
Did you say you only blew up at him, like, how many times?
Only blew up on him once. Right in front of the, Louisiana sign. And he parked his Grom forward, I parked mine backwards, and I wanted to turn his so we get it both in there. He's like, it's fine like this. I'm like, shut the fuck up! I'm the photographer! You're the fucking rider! I was like, shut your fucking mouth! You're here to ride! And he was like, oh, okay.
Pulled out all the stops.
Hey! Oh, it's good. I thought it was gone. Yeah, it was like one of those times where like I was just kind of like being nice, being easy going. I just let it like bottle up.
Boom! It's a fucking powder keg. Just
yeah. It took to Louisiana for me to just fucking blow up.
I mean, that's a pretty good distance.
Yeah.
You made it a long way.
I was pretty proud of us. We're talking still, so we're still friends. I'm just a little bit more candid with them.
Yeah.
Like he'll say something like, go fuck yourself.
Like those friends where it's like you hang out all the time, and then you go on like a super short road trip with them, and you realize they're the most annoying person in the world, and you never see them again.
Yeah.
Been friends with this person for 5 years, going on one short trip, and you're like, I'm good.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we're done.
I mean, that's like the same as moving in with like a friend. Like I've had friends that like I've been good friends with, and I move in with them, and then like I'm like, holy fuck, dude.
Yeah.
Like it takes like 3 years after we move out before we start talking again.
No shit, that's actually what happened with my last apartment. He now lives in the building, like in the apartment under me. Because we're like, I want to see you, but sometimes.
Yeah.
I mean, like the stupidest shit. Like same with the road trip. Like the stupidest shit will get on your nerves.
Oh yeah.
Because then, like I'm missing my family. I'm missing the baby. I'm missing the wife. The baby's sick or something. Just pissing me off, like in general. And then the one thing, the dishes aren't done. You leave a spoon on the counter with fucking yogurt on it.
The one thing that like lights the powder keg is no, it's fine. Like it's not fine. Fucking move it.
Yeah, it's definitely it challenged my
authority,
communication skills and patience.
You're like, you will respect my authority.